boys with that one.
William, where are we going?
And the waterfall Ponce.
Waterfall.
Ponce.
Ponce?
Yeah.
What does that mean?
I don't know waterfall again.
You're going on a waterfall today?
Yeah, that means.
Show me where it is on the map, please.
We don't been there. Yeah.
Let's go yellow. We're going to follow the yellow path.
What's happened, Tom? What happened, Tom?
William's seat fell off and my hat.
What happened to your hat?
And William's shoe fell off.
And your hat fell off?
Yeah. Put on, Helen. What?
Is it a white van? What is it? Horses. Hang on tight. What do you wish, Kim?
Dad, I found a mop.
What did you find?
A mop.
What colour was it?
Just black and yellow.
What was it? What's his name?
Flower.
What was his name? Flower.
Hello.
Look in your hair. Whoa, let me see. There's no stop still. Whoa, let me put him on my hand.
Did I see him?
Yeah, I will. Come on, Buggy.
Oh, good boy.
Yeah.
Hello.
Oh!
Hello, Camera. One, two, three, four. What's another 100, Mom?
How many steps were there, boys?
22.
Only 22? I think there's a lot more than that, wasn't there? Right behind the waterfall. Keep going, Tom. Right, shout. Say bye, waterfall.